How to log in to Easystub Employee Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Easystub Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for Easystub Employee Login. After you search for that, you'll find a website by Easystub. Tap on this website that says Employee Login and it should take you to their website. So as you can see, this website looks really simple and easy to use. So all you have to do is enter your employee ID. So enter your employee ID, and after you enter your employee ID, also type in your company ID. And after you do that, simply type in your password. Then tap on the login button to log in into your account. And it's that simple. And that's basically all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you guys can see more of our tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.